How to fix login errors in Priceline. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on and to connect to a better network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are still facing any problems while logging in, you want to simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the application. As our Priceline application, simply tap and hold on to it and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache. And here at the bottom of your screen, you can see two options called Clear Storage and Clear Cache. You want to do both of them. By clicking on Clear Cache, you'll be able to clear cache, and by clicking on Clear Storage, you'll be able to delete the files. And by doing so, the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.